Amongst the new entrants into the Motor Rally Freya as the year closes with the 26 December 2014 Race of Champions Sprint are Wandagea police officers Winnie Akero and Caroline Nakanagwa, who will be cruising in a Subaru Impreza Info. They do have been supported by different individuals out of police force, and as they have been attracted into the sport by 2011 champion Super Lady Susan Monge.
It was my interest. Had interest on it, being I've been seeing women driving, and I thought I can also make it as I'm a woman.
The FMU Vice President Administration, Dusman Oke, says the sport attracting more ladies into action is an indicator of the level at which it's growing.
Have you start in a humble way, we shall always find a way of supporting you. So she has been very, very inquisitive, and we don't want you to start from the upper side. You hear those dangerous cars. Leave them. Sometimes you bypass them.
I need to win, but even the other competitor can give me challenge.
For 2014 national champion Ronald Ssebuguzi, the sprint is likely to turn out to be a showdown for drivers. So far, 17 crews have put in their entries for the Boxing Day event that has a total competitive distance of 5.8 kilometers. Among the entries lately posted include 2014 sprint champion leader Shafik Semuju, rookie driver Musa Kabega, Super Lady Susan Monge, veteran driver Wycliffe Kenya, John Costa, among others.